Hi everyone, in this video today, we're very excited to share some important information for our valued members and clients who have already purchased our product here on the LIW Travel Network Program platform. Okay, so by doing this, they'll be able to easily access the exact same comprehensive website we have, as well as all of the specialized training that's currently included within the program. So once you have successfully finished registering on our platform, we are going to show you exactly how to log in. First of all, you just need to head over to the site, and then we will send a unique password directly to you so that you can easily access the Training Academy page. We have done this because we have currently locked this entire platform to ensure everything stays secure for our users. This is only for those who have already purchased the product. As I mentioned, this is so they can access the full tutorial training and register to access their own identical website, just like the one we have. So first, you need to click the Academy Training. So you'll notice here, it says Enter Password because it can't be accessed by just anyone browsing. Unless they purchase the program that we have, like the travel agent and franchise, as well as the affiliate program, so we will send you an email, you'll receive an email. Whatever password we're using to access this platform will be included there. So, I'm going to enter the password. We won't tell you what it is because someone else might hear it. So anyway, you just need to click the Submit button. There you go. So once you enter your password, obviously, anyone who has purchased or availed of our product on the LIWLI platform can access it. So here, this is where. The very first thing you'll see is how to register as an affiliate link, where, when you click this button, let's try it, shall we? We'll be doing a specific training here. So, just to finish this segment, here's a quick overview on how you can get started with us. We'll have a separate video for this, okay. This is the access you'll need to get your affiliate link, where you'll have an identical website just like ours. A cookie, well, a cookie is part of the affiliate system, where if someone makes a purchase on your website, the system will track the cookie to know who bought the product, just like what we're selling here, right? As well as flights, too. So, it's a great platform to track all the transactions in our program. So here, you'll see that once you sign up, you'll receive a website exactly like the one we have, just as it says here. If you click this, obviously, that's what it will look like. As I mentioned, there will be a cookie here at the front of your website, which serves as an indicator that the website belongs to you. So, whoever registers, signs up, or purchases our platform system, aside from that, you'll also be able to access it. This is our full video masterclass training, where we teach especially those who don't have any experience yet in becoming a travel agent. So, we have at least 8 tutorial videos here in video format. If you click on this, you'll literally be able to access the entire masterclass course, where we share the platform we use for booking here in our ecosystem, and how to become a travel agent. So, this is complete and you can use it as a guide to get started, especially for those who don't have any experience yet. Here as well, we have some recorded sessions. You'll see those recorded ones. You will find all of the most important training videos right here, like this specific one that shows you exactly how to book flights using our portal system. Because every single month and every year, there will be various new updates and changes made to the portal system we use, so you will need to always stay completely updated with these developments. You will find all of that information right here on our platform within the Training Academy. All of that, or whatever new updates come up, you'll also be able to access here. So basically, that's our training tutorial for aspiring or even established travel agents, so they can access our platform here. So let's go back to that page. Moving along. Here, you'll also be able to see or access our suppliers, where you can find step-by-step instructions on how to register with each of our supplier providers. You really need to understand this well. The tutorial we made is very straightforward, showing you exactly how to follow each step to register. For each of our individual suppliers, those essential business partners who provide us with all the products we use here, there are also several helpful video tutorials available that you can easily access and watch at your convenience. So everything here is complete. You really need to watch and thoroughly understand everything in our Trading Training Academy. So, this is very clear, registering with our suppliers and affiliates. Aside from that, we also have videos where we further explain things for people who make purchases. Yes, we explain everything step by step. It's really easy. If we just follow the system and do all the procedures step by step, like this. Register or sign up with our supplier. You just need to click the button. Once you click the button, you'll be directed to our suppliers, just like this. So, you need to register or create your own account so that your affiliate link, which we use for your website, will be set up. Where? That's where you'll find out whether it's random visitors or even you yourself opening this platform. You'll have access where, the commission given by our supplier is separate, right? Aside from the markup or commission that we charge our clients as an agency or agent, this commission is separate. That's what it's called here. Here, with these major supplier platforms that are our partners, there's an affiliate program, which is also what they call the commission they give to each agent, right? So, they have different rates, different percentages of how much they give. For each of these suppliers, it's around 7% to 10%. Even Bayad Thor has a different percentage, Expedia, 12Go, Agoda, TFC. Clock, Take Tours, Desire Cruises, Travel Payouts, they all have, suppliers for travel and packages. For those who want to travel, right? This is basically for travel, this Acess that you should create your own account for, where we will connect it to your own, unique account. A website so you can track all your transactions and where you can get your commission or your affiliate rewards from these big suppliers of ours. Okay, so once you click the icon, it's very clear. It's very straightforward, and there are instructions here as well, just like there are videos for some of the other suppliers. There's a step-by-step guide on how you should do it. So it's really just a matter of understanding the procedure, and you won't get lost. You'll definitely be able to get your affiliate link and register properly. Once you've registered, for your own account, we need to get your logins. Please send us your login details because we're the ones working on our platform's website to integrate your affiliate links, so that's where they'll be visible and tracked. You might be wondering, how will we know if the earnings are really going to us? Through your registration, there's what's called an affiliate link, which the system uses to track whoever is buying, whether it's from any website or any travel agent. That's how the website portal works. It's simple and straightforward. There are also tutorials available here, aside from what I showed you earlier. We also put the tutorial here so you can have a broader understanding of our system. Down here as well, there are downloadable forms where, you can find various documents. Information about the supplier can also be found here. Once you click, it's the same as what we showed in the video, but this one is in PDF format. When you click this, the system will also take you to the suppliers I mentioned earlier. The only difference is that this one is in PDF format. And then we also have a template is provided to our agents where we teach them the proper questionnaire and qualifying questions for those inquiring about travel, becoming a travel agent, or becoming affiliates. So, our platform is complete, and you can get the PDF file. Right, so here you'll also see the qualifying questions so you won't have a hard time. Please use our standard format as well so it will be easier and you can transact more accurately with your clients who are inquiring with you. Here you'll also find our travel agent bundle, where we have ready-made template marketing materials. When you click on that, it will take you to Canva, where you'll see templates that are already made and ready to use. You just need to click on Open in Editor. You'll be taken automatically to Canva. And from here, you can easily edit all of these contents according to your specific products or your own webcam setup. Everything you're working on with us is complete, right? You won't be left behind. However, we also have a PFB group FB chat where we have ongoing training every week. You can contact us there, and we can share updates with you. This is being turned into a business, right? So this is the complete tutorial for you to access our platform here in the Training and Academy resources, which is exclusive to those who have purchased our product or bought our program here at Luyo Travel Network. I hope this video helps you, and you all have a great day. Bye for now.